Good morning. Another early day. This is quick. And basically, thank you. In around 6 months, we have hit 1,000 plus subscribers and 100,000 views. I mean, quick. A lot of help, a lot of support, but obviously from you guys. And I promised you something at 1,000, and I will deliver. But we're going to make it fun with some trivia. Okay? Here's what we're going to do. Obviously, you got to be a subscriber. In one of my videos, I referenced a movie. You know what kind of movies I like, obviously. You see, you know, a few videos back. If you were watching, it's very easy to spot. I want you to name the movie, well, the quote, the movie, and of course, what size sneaker you wear. And we're going to get you a pair. Cool ones. Don't worry, they'll be cool. Men, women, if you want something for your kids, like I said, give me the size. We'll get you whatever we need to get you. So, as a subscriber, take a look. I've only said a couple, 3 things tops, and one in particular. Answer that in the comments. And once it hits, depending on how many comments there are, you know, we don't get too many comments. So I'm going to say maybe 50 to 100. I'll cut it off somewhere in between there. And then we'll let the software do its thing. And we will pick somebody and we will get you a really cool pair of sneakers. Like the ones I wear. All right. So again, thank you. For those of you on TikTok, Instagram, Facebook, this applies to you too. Join the channel. Watch a couple of the videos. The last, you know, few. It's not in the shorts. It's in the regular videos. And it's a pretty, I mean, if you've watched, it's pretty. Anyway, you know what to do. You know what you're going to get. This is my way of saying thank you. And we're going to keep going. We're doing well. We're moving quick. It's really cool to see. We have 3 builds coming over the course of the next couple months. If I could do 4, I'll do 4. It's difficult. Again, we appreciate the support. We can always use more. Also, for those of you who are business owners who distribute worldwide, we have a worldwide audience. I can send you a prospectus of, you know, doing some, if you want me to do a commercial for you, or if you have your own, you know, 30, 60 seconds, obviously price will vary, but you're going to email that guy at that address, and we can have a conversation and, you know, maybe make your business a little bit better too. All right. So again, thank you, everybody. Worked really hard to get here, and we're going to continue to work hard. And thank you to our current sponsors, obviously, Harold Girl Law, Elite Surveillance NJ, W, and Airgoo. My voice is shot. It's early. Anyway, again, thank you, thank you, thank you. Answer the question. Name the movie. Put your sneaker size. Let's go. Sneaks and Geeks USA. Thank you so much. See you soon.